Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video, we're still working on G35. So finally I fixed my problem. So the problem I have, it was the P1283 P1273. So this is for the sensors. I changed my sensors, both of them brand new for Bosch, but for some reason the lights, they come up. I think it was too much flow, and the problem when you have too much flow in these cars, it causes you a lot of problem. So as the car is not tuned yet, maybe they cause me some problems. So I keep work on it. I changed the fuel pump, I changed the sensors, I clean a lot of stuff, look for leak, and some reason the same code. Finally, until I find the problem, if you have a cold intake, guys, cold intake, you have to make sure. So you know why, friend? Look at that. This clamp here go to the throttle body. This is what the issue. As soon as I remove this one, I put a new one, and the problem go away. Another trick I have to show you guys is the K&N filter, where the position is supposed to be. So I did change this one here, guys. So this one was bad. This was piece I show you guys. This was bad. It was leaking some air inside, so the car creates more a lot of leaks. And another thing, guys, my air filter was here. So what I did, I get extension and I get the filter down. If the filter is too close to the mass airflow sensor, to create too much flow. So the mass airflow sensor start read a lot of flow. So what I did, I make an extension and make the filter go down to no gets the filter doesn't read a lot of flow. And that's another thing, if the filter stay over here, this area is gonna be breathe a lot of heat air. So it's better be down, not down a lot, like if it's rain, the filter doesn't catch water. So now for 2 days, I have no engine light back again. I've been check it, nothing, so everything is good. So I've been changed the sensors, and this piece was the issue. So I spent a lot of money just to figure out what's the issue, because it's common to Nissan Infiniti. Yeah, guys. So pretty much easy job. So I fixed the issue. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See ya.